So I just stumbled upon this DIY project called bumble-berry-pi. It's a handheld Raspberry Pi cyberdeck that sounds super intriguing.
Wait, a cyberdeck, like something you can program on the go. That's wild. What makes this one stand out?
Right? It's designed to be cheap and easy to build. The creator wanted a mini keyboard and something pocket-sized. I mean, who hasn't wished for that?
Totally. Plus, they managed to keep it functional with a decent screen size. I wonder how it feels to type on such a small keyboard.
Exactly, and it has a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which is pretty impressive for a DIY project. I'm curious about how responsive it is.
That's a good point. But do you think the small size compromises usability? Like, can you actually get some serious work done on it?
That's a fair concern. The creator uses tmux for managing multiple terminal windows, which is clever, but still, there's got to be a learning curve, right?
Definitely, and it makes me think, could this replace a laptop for casual coding, or is it more of a fun gadget?
I think it's both. It's about convenience and creativity. It's like having a mini computer in your pocket, but
But what happens when you run into software limitations? The Raspberry Pi isn't the most powerful board.
true, it's limited. But the creator chose the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus for low power usage, which is smart for a portable device.
That's interesting. And the battery life is impressive, 37 watt-hours. That's a full day's worth of use.
Yeah, it shows they really thought about usability, but I wonder how the weight balances with all those components.
Good question. Only two 3D printed parts means it's probably not too heavy. The assembly seems straightforward too, right?
Exactly, minimal assembly required. It's like they made it user-friendly, but I hope the instructions are clear.
They mention it's a work in progress, so there might be some gaps. I wonder how many people would take on that challenge.
That's a risk for sure, but the community aspect could help. Have you checked out their GitHub for parts and updates?
Not yet, but now I'm curious. I wonder if others have modified their designs or shared tips.
That could lead to some cool innovations. I love how DIY projects can evolve with community input.
Absolutely. And it makes me think about the potential for more accessible tech for learning programming.
Right, this could inspire beginners to get hands-on with coding, but do you think it's too niche for wider adoption?
It might be, but niche tech has its own charm. Plus, there's a market for affordable, portable devices.
True, and with the rise of remote work, having versatile options like this could become more important.
Exactly. It's all about adapting to our needs. But I wonder about the longevity of such projects.
That's a valid point. As tech evolves, will something like this feel outdated quickly, or will it stand the test of time?
I think it depends on community support and updates. If people keep innovating, it could stick around.
Right, and I think having a strong community can breathe new life into projects. That's pretty exciting.
Absolutely. It's fascinating to consider how DIY projects can create connections among tech enthusiasts.
Speaking of connections, this makes me think about how technology can bridge gaps in education.
For sure, accessible tech can empower learners, but we can't ignore issues of equity and access.
Exactly, while Bumbleberry Pie is fun, it's crucial to think about who can actually benefit from it.
Yeah, not everyone has the resources to build or buy something like this. That's a big factor to consider.
And ideally, we should aim for inclusivity in tech. It's about finding balance, right?
Definitely, balancing innovation with accessibility is key. I'm excited to see where projects like this go.
Same here, I feel like there's so much potential for creativity and problem solving within the DIY community.
Totally, and who knows? Maybe we'll see more projects inspired by Bumble-berry Pie that push boundaries.
Oh, for sure, it's all about sparking ideas. So what do you think the next step should be for DIY tech enthusiasts?
I think it's about collaboration, sharing knowledge and encouraging experimentation. That's the spirit.
Agreed, collaboration could lead to unexpected breakthroughs. I can't wait to see what they come up with next.
Same. And it's nice to know there are passionate people out there making these tech dreams a reality.
Absolutely keeps the excitement alive in the tech world. What a great conversation we've had.
For sure, let's continue exploring projects like this. There's always something new to discover.